Children by nature behave in a manner that differs from adult. They are expected to be movable and playful. This may cause some people to see it as a misbehavior in need of discipline, especially if it occurs inside the classroom. According to American psychiatrist and educator, Rudolf Dreikurs, it is possible to understand children's misbehaviors by recognizing their individual purposes. Based on Dreikurs' social discipline model, there are 4 goals that motivate children's misbehavior. But in this study the researchers focused on the 2 types of misbehavior, attention-seeking and power struggle. Attention-seeking mostly happen when the child make undesired activities to seek for the teacher's attention, while power struggle is when the child opposes the authority of the teacher that causes misbehavior. With these, teachers are expected to take responsibilities and make use of different approaches that can help them in dealing with those misbehaviors. Approaches that can take place in a punishment such as positive punishment, which uses negative consequences after the undesired behavior, to modify or lessen the occurrence of the misbehavior, and negative punishment wherein the certain desired object of a child is removed as a consequence to lessen the occurrence of the misbehavior. To find out the most occurring actions done by children when it comes to attention-seeking and power struggle, the usually used approaches when dealing with those 2 misbehaviors, and if there is a significant difference in the misbehavior management approaches used by the teachers, the descriptive survey method, purposive sampling and a validated self-made questionnaire checklist were utilized by the researchers. 30 preschool teachers from selected private schools in Antipolo City, Rizal were the respondents of the study. They were to answer the questionnaire that contains scenarios of misbehaviors and choices of approaches to use. The dominant scenario in attention-seeking that many teachers experience often in their class is when children give out answers without raising their hands. While in power struggle, teachers sometimes experience children who don't follow the rules. In dealing with these misbehaviors, the teachers commonly use the positive approach. The outcome of this research may vary based on the environment, culture and the educational approach being used by the school. The result of this research showed the significance of understanding the reasons why children misbehave and the response of teachers to the misbehavior. Both variables affect how the misbehavior of the child would be modified. The study would be of great help for future teachers to acknowledge that children misbehave for a reason and that there is an appropriate approach to be used for the misbehavior to decrease. Teachers could either use positive or negative approaches in different forms of misbehavior. There is no perfect approach to totally eliminate children's misbehavior, but teachers could use different approaches to divert the misbehavior into an acceptable one.